Hi, I'm Tulsi Jaikumar. I'm the Executive Director of the Center for Family Business and Entrepreneurship at SPJIMR and a Professor of Economics. I'm here to introduce to you today a new program which has been launched by the CFPE, which is the Graduate Certificate Programme in Entrepreneurship. The GCPE is a curated program of entrepreneurship which has been put together by experts who have been in this area of entrepreneurship over the last several years. Course modules would cover themes such as what does it take for you to be an entrepreneur? How do you move from an idea to an opportunity? What are the various ways in which you could look at developing a business? How do you look at frameworks like the business model canvas to grow your business? And how do you come up with the terrific solution or an idea to the wickedest problems on earth? What are the benefits of this program? You can of course look at upskilling the opportunities required for starting your own business. It will contribute to your CV. Were you to be preparing for the CAT or for any entrance exam, it gives you a certain differentiation relative to your other peers. It also helps you to build networks which you can use at some point of time in life. Here is a program which will help you to build your entrepreneurial mindset, which will help you to look at creating a business which you could be proud of and to be part of the startup ecosystem in India. There is no age for entrepreneurship. In fact, most entrepreneurs start very, very young. So come be part of India's entrepreneurial journey, be a part of SPJIMR.